guidance and opportunity in Shiliguri and Paschim Medinipur, the APAI Pre-Counseling and Education Fair 2025 has now arrived in the heart of Durgapur. From career counseling to the college admission, this fair is one-stop solution for the students who are dreaming big and planning smart. The energy here is inspiring. Students are excited, parents are hopeful, and future here looks like brighter than ever.
Most of the students actually, they don't know how to increase their paths or in which path to go. So many students are confused in which path I should go, and if they are choosing the wrong path, then after that they regret sometimes that why did I choose this path. So for that reason, career counseling I think is very much important. So I thought to attend this career counseling so that it can help me.
Basically, this is the opportunity. They can interact with the qualified student teachers, and they can interact with the different authority, and they can identify in a single platform. They can identify different subjects. Suppose they don't know anything about the one course, here they can learn and they can share their views. So I think this is the great opportunity for a student. They can learn so many things which one is unknown from the during the class and schools. So I think it is
টিচার ক্যারিয়ারে আমরা যে সমস্ত যে লাইনে পড়তে চাইছি সেই সমস্ত নিয়ে যে সমস্ত আমাদের থিওরি আছে সেই সমস্ত সব কিছু আমরা এখান থেকে জানতে পারছি যে কোন অ্যাডমিশন কি কোন সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করলে আমাদের ক্যারিয়ারটা ভালো জায়গায় পৌঁছাবে এই সমস্ত নিয়ে আমরা
সত্যি নিজে এখন একটু কনফিডেন্ট ফিল করছি, কারণ আমি ভেবেছিলাম যদি ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে নিট না ক্র্যাক করতে পারি তাহলে আমি কি করব। এখন আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমার কাছে অনেক অপশন হয়ে গিয়েছে।
Me, it's really an amazing experience, and I feel that these students take the admission in my college, that is Techno Bengal Institute of Technology. We have got the 4 types of BTech streams like CSC in BTech, CSAIML in BTech, then IT in BTech, and then EC in BTech, and we have got BBA and BCA also. So please do visit.
I completed my 12th this year, so I came here for a better guidance that I can through which I can choose my future. I mean, secure my future, like not only economically but also that I can.
It's stop. It's not just a fair. APAI Education Fair and Pre-Counseling is a way of better academic future. Signing off with camera person Shanika, this is Vendila reporting from Durgapur.